Okay, now discuss series AB. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7. This is an AP series. Why this is an AP? Because this is the always first term. Always first term is this. Difference of these two series are say 2, 2, 2, or other way 4, 7, 10, 13 and so on. Again check the difference. 3, 3, difference is 3. That type of series is known as arithmetic progression. In this one, first of all discuss the formula. an plus 1. An plus 1 means nth term से a greater. An plus 1 minus an equals to constant. Constant means free of n. Free of n. n से free हो. Second formula, this is also denoted by D. That means an plus 1 minus an equals to D. Second formula, an equals to a plus n minus 1 and d. This an is the nth term, a is the first term, and n is the number of terms, and this d is the common difference. Common difference. Okay. This is the formula. An equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Next formula. Next formula is formula number third. Nth term from n. Suppose last term is given हो और इसका nth term पूछा हो. For example, this is 109 और this is the last term, तो इसके पीछे से term पूछे. तो nth term from n is L. L means last term, n minus 1 and common difference with negative sign minus d. Next formula. Next formula is sum Sn. Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Other way, n by 2, this is a plus l. इसका दूसरा फॉर्मूला भी हो सकता है. Fifth formula. If find the value of an is Sn plus 1 minus Sn. अगर n plus 1 तक के सम में से Sn तक का सम माइनस कर दें तो an आ जाता है. Is it clear? Next is selection of terms. Selection of terms is for 3 terms. For 3 terms. Middle term is a plus b, a minus b. इसका नेक्स्ट देखिए. For 4 terms. बेटे एक और इंपॉर्टेंट चीज, जो कॉमन डिफरेंस होता है, कॉमन डिफरेंस इस केस में d होता है. इसमें से इसको माइनस करिए, d आएगा. फॉर 4 टर्म्स a माइनस d, a प्लस d, a प्लस 3d, a माइनस 3d. इस केस में कॉमन डिफरेंस 2d आएगा. कॉमन डिफरेंस कितना आएगा बेटा? 2d. फॉर 5 टर्म्स मैक्सिमम 5 टर्म्स का ही होता है। a प्लस d, a प्लस 2d, a माइनस d, a माइनस 2d। इसमें कॉमन डिफरेंस d आएगा। दैट मीन्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर even terms, for even terms common difference equals CD means common difference is 2D. For odd terms common difference is D. Is it clear? Next 6 point, if A, B, C are in AP, बेटे अगर ये तीनों AP में हैं तो दो कंडीशंस होंगी। फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज B माइनस A इक्वल्स टू C माइनस B एंड सेकंड कंडीशन B इक्वल्स टू सम ऑफ एक्सट्रीमिटीज अपॉन 2। नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला फॉर डिस्कस अरिथमेटिक मीन। Arithmetic mean means first case, if two numbers are given and one arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means average. Therefore, arithmetic mean equals to a plus b upon 2. In next case, second case, if first term and last term is given and n arithmetic mean a1, a2, a3 and an. First of all, find the value of d. D equals to b minus a n plus 1. N means number of arithmetic means. Now a1 equals to a plus d, a2 equals to a plus 2d, a3 equals to a plus 3d, next an equals to a plus md. Is it clear? Listen students, example number 4, page 182. Question is, in an AP, mth term is n. Mth term equals to n. And nth term is m. M and n not equal. Find the pth term. Pth term question mark. This is the question. Is it clear? Okay. Very easy question. First of all, an, a plus n minus 1d, and nth term is given m. Therefore, a plus n minus 1d. First equation. And mth term means am, a plus m minus 1d, and mth term is n. N equals to a plus m minus 1d. From these two, find the value of a and b. In this case, simply subtract it. 1 minus 2. M minus n, a is cancelled. M minus n minus 1 minus m plus 1 d. This is cancelled. Therefore, value of d equals to minus 1. ये n minus n है, ये m minus n है, कैंसिल हो गया. d की वैल्यू किसी में रिप्लेस कर दीजिए. From first n equals to a plus n minus 1 minus 1. Therefore, a equals to m plus n minus 1. This is a. and you will find the value of pth term. Pth term is a plus p minus 1 d. Replace the values. A की value m plus n minus 1 plus p minus 1, this is minus 1. इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर दीजिए. m plus n minus 1 minus p plus 1, 1 is cancelled. m plus n minus p is answer. Is it clear?